Its three-row cabin and tall profile say SUV, but the 2025 Audi Q7's driving demeanor is surprisingly sporty. Based on the A6 sedan, the Q7 encompasses a lot of the sedan's polished road manners, along with its upscale furnishings. Models designated 45 are powered by a 261 HP turbocharged four-cylinder engine and come with all-wheel drive as standard. The upgrade engine is a 335 HP turbocharged V6 that Audi installs in the Q755. The V6 adds considerable pep to the Q7's step. It hits 60 miles per hour in 5.0 seconds in our testing and increases towing capacity to a stout 7,000 pounds. Cabin trimmings are appropriately premium, and the interior design follows other Audi models with a contemporary look peppered with digital displays and thoughtfully placed controls. The Q7 has been on the market since 2017, but steady updating has kept it from feeling past its sell-by date. A visual freshening for 2025 helps the Q7 remain relevant in the mid-size luxury SUV marketplace, but it faces stiff competition from newer, more modern rivals, which include the BMW X5, the Genesis GV80, and the Mercedes-Benz GLE. As one of our favorites in its segment, the Audi Q7 has earned a spot on our editor's choice list for 2025. With its minimalist, contemporary design, loads of technology, and excellent comfort and build quality, the cabin is a special place. Beautiful materials and design highlight the Q7's interior, as do the intelligent layout of its controls and the comfortable seats that feature both ample support and adjustability. Entry-level premium versions come nicely outfitted, and the abundance of upscale features can get supremely luxurious in the higher trim levels. As with most three-row SUVs, there isn't a ton of cargo space in the Audi's cargo area when all its seats are in use, but its available space is comparable with its key rivals, and the rearmost row can be quickly raised or lowered via power controls, which makes up for the middle row's somewhat clumsy operation. With all seats stowed, the Q7 had room for 25 of our carry-on suitcases. A 261 horsepower turbocharged four-cylinder with a 12-volt hybrid system is standard and should satisfy all but the most discerning drivers. Those seeking more punch will be more interested in the turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 that incorporates a 48-volt hybrid system and makes 335 horsepower. Despite its bulk, when the Q7 is fitted with the optional performance tires on 21-inch wheels, it feels low and lithe, like a pumped-up sport wagon. The adjustability of the optional air suspension, paired with the added agility of four-wheel steering, makes the Q7 surprisingly fun to flog down a twisty back road. During our drive of the updated 2025 model, we also found that it provides the same impressively smooth ride as before. The price of the 2025 Audi Q7 starts at $61,795 and goes up to $79,195, depending on the trim and options. We think the 45's Turbo 4 powertrain is more than sufficient, and we'd pair it with the Premium Plus trim level. Moving from the base Premium up to Premium Plus adds plenty of niceties, including a surround sound stereo system, a wireless phone charging pad, power folding exterior mirrors with memory settings, 20-inch wheels, ambient interior lighting, and illuminated door sill inlays. We'd also spring for the Executive package, which adds, among other things, 4-zone automatic climate control, heated and ventilated 12-way power-adjustable front seats, heated rear seats, and all-weather floor mats.